Hi guys, we get this Pigeon 1.5 liter kettle along with this steel water bottle combo. So let's see its unboxing and review. It comes in this kind of carton packaging, and in the box we have the first item, this warranty card and usual manual. It comes with 1 year warranty. Then we have this 750 ml water bottle. This is a steel water bottle which has this thick texture, paint looking like texture, and it's very nice and elegant. It has this wide mouth, so it's easy to fill and clean. Now is the main product, kettle. And at the base you can find all the details: 1.5 liter capacity, 1300 watt, voltage required 220 to 240, and the serial number. Here we have the cord. Okay, the length of the cord is pretty small. Here is our kettle. The dimensions of the kettle is 18.5 by 18.5 by 21.2 centimeter, and it weighs 900 gram. This I button is for on and O is for off. It is refrigerator compatible and suitable for both hot and cold water. The best part is it has 360-degree swivel base, so you can place it in any direction, operate it with your left hand, right hand. It has a pull fill-up lid and mouth is pretty wide. You can easily clean this one. Let's use this. Just fill the kettle and plug in. You see this red light blinking here? It is for auto cut. When the water reaches the boiling point, it auto cut off. For normal drinking water, it takes about 20 seconds. But if you want boiling hot water, it takes 2 minutes only. It's very convenient and easy to use. Coming to this stainless steel bottle, this bottle is good for normal day-to-day use, but it won't hold the hot water as the bottle gets super hot, but it is spill proof and as good as any other water bottle. Now coming to the cleaning instructions. First of all, let the kettle come to the room temperature. Drain off all the excess water. Now take a warm soapy water and rinse it thoroughly. That's all. Now wipe it with a clean cloth and reuse it when it's completely dry. But you need to follow certain cautions. Always unplug the kettle when it is not in use or before cleaning. Do not fill the kettle to the maximum line, or do not heat the kettle when there is no water. Problem, I was looking, so there are only two problems. One, the cord is short, and the second one is while filling water, one has to hold the lid with hand, else it would automatically close. Otherwise, it's a nice product and the combo is value for money. Kettle serve the purpose. So if you find the video useful, subscribe. Bye bye.